nothing to make me get myself in that trouble. So my youth, sometimes the things we want to get myself in that trouble are because of the way I want to deal with things. Might be when you go in our community and see a man with that thing and afraid to tell him, say, yo, me no want that you might. No. Enter you go around the youth, them love you and respect you. So then look up to you and anything you teach them, that them are going to do. So some of the artists, we don't have no fear of talking to the youth them and tell them to move a different way. Guide them in the right way because them are listen to one and listen to what one have to say and what one have to do. Now, Alkaline, me I beg you, please, you're my youth. Me and you no talk and no rare and people say this, people say that, but he's a youth and never disrespect me yet. You have enough manners to me. Me come in a studio and see you and one bag of something and you never ever disrespect me yet. Even after me leave, your remarks was all Ninjaman are going, him not even know him and my DJ. You understand me? So he's a little youth, I rate you. And we just want you go up